We are reaching the end of the My Cooking Journey 2021 collab, and by the way that I'm getting submissions for this collaboration, I might just extend it. I don't know, maybe. What do you guys think? Well, let me know in the comment section down below. Today's video is going to also be a part of another collaboration video, and this collab is part of the Potato Day 2021 collab. It's hosted by John's Kids Kitchen, and as a potato lover, as you all know already from all of my fry videos, I had to be in this one, and this video is gonna be perfect for both the collabs, so why not? So be sure to check out John's channel, and let's get into today's video. So today we're making a really simple, no garlic, no onion, no ginger, a simple potato and cauliflower vegan dried curry. Let's get started. Now don't let dry curry turn you off. Dry curries are amazing. You know why? Because there's so much you can dip that in. You can dip it with yogurt, sour cream, pickle, all kinds of lentils or dals, and it's just so much fun. So to get started, cut your cauliflower into florets, and I'm just gonna roughly slice my potatoes into 1.5 to 2-inch sized like wedges almost, and then heat up your pan with some olive oil and let that get nice and hot. Then temper that with some cumin seeds and hing. Let that get a bit fragrant, and then we're gonna cook out our dried spices in first. So add in turmeric, chili powder, not degi mirch, the spicy kind, and some ground coriander. You wanna let that cook on medium to medium low heat until the spices are kind of cooked and lightly roasted. You don't want to burn them. This should take you just about 30 seconds up to maximum a minute. And then add in your chopped up cauliflower and your potatoes. You want to stir that really well so the vegetables are really nicely coated and tainted with all this beautiful color from the spices. And then all you have to do is put that lid on, turn the heat to medium, and just let that cook out. Potatoes notoriously take a long time to cook out, but you want to cook them out really well because there's nothing worse in the world than raw potatoes. I hope you agree with that as well. So you want to keep stirring it from time to time just to make sure that each side gets equally colored, and you can also add in a bit of salt to help speed up the process a little bit, but you can't really rush this. So once the potatoes are finely cooked, by the same time the cauliflower will be cooked as well. And we're not just cooking it, we want to color it. We want to lightly roast it, lightly char the cauliflower and give it some good color, because color means flavor. Now as soon as you are able to easily break the potato with the back of a wooden spoon and the potatoes are cooked, the cauliflower is cooked, then if you want, you can convert this into a potato, cauliflower and green pea dried curry. To do that, I'm using some frozen peas. So I want to defrost those peas first, but I don't want the excess moisture to make the other vegetables mushy. So create a well down the middle, add your frozen peas, and then just let all the excess moisture evaporate right out. Once that is done and the peas are completely defrosted, garnish it with some cilantro, then mix it all together. Once you've mixed it, season it with some salt, adjust for your taste, and then finish this dish with some garam masala and some dried mango powder or amchur, just for that sourness, just to get some more dimension into this simple dish. And serve it with your favorite side. One of my favorite sides to have this dish with is some homemade fresh roti bread, a bit of dal on the side, yogurt, pickle, or just lots of green chilies to munch on. And you saw how easy this was to make. Vegetarian food can be so tasty, and if you're looking to go vegan or vegetarian, the best cuisine to get into for the most amount of variety, the most amount of flavor, is definitely Indian cuisine. So I hope there are more of you still out there who are working on their collaboration for the My Cooking Journey 2021 Open Collab. To participate, you simply need a video that is Indian inspired and something that you've wanted to cook for a long time but you haven't gotten it right, or put an Indian twist to one of your all-time favorites. For more videos just like this one, I've left a button right down there for you to hit and subscribe and hit the bell icon for. So go ahead and do that, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye guys.